3, 2, 1, let it drop.
I'm on my way to meet my friend Christian. He's got a YouTube channel where he drop tests phones from drones, which is exciting. And we have the new iPhone 14 that we're going to drop. But first I need to get there without being drop tested on this concrete. Why is it so busy?
It's only the beginning, man.
I don't know what we should do.
So he got permission to shoot, but they didn't say that there was a motorcycle training situation going on here. There's a lot of clouds rolling in. We do not want to get rained out for our third attempt. Who knew it was so hard to drop an iPhone? They got helmets on, it's all right.
Hailing iPhones.
Yeah, there's a hail test.
They're gone, we can drop it, and then another group comes in 45 minutes. We're gonna control the drop, it's gonna be super safe. We're gonna do it in the middle, there's no wind. I think we can do it.
Whoa! Oh, there it goes, first phone down.
There's dropping.
Is the construction over here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
That's the right place.
The master rigger. I love how you give it care. He put it on. He put this on top of something so it doesn't get messed up, and we're about to drop it from 1,000 feet. We're rigging up everything right now. The parking lot is empty. The moment is ours. It sucks to see that iPhone 14 just open and ready to get smashed, brand new. But this is all in the name of science. We have the Inspire right here. We've got the little Mavic Air 2 that we're going to use to film the drop with. Got various other cameras scattered around. All right, we're ready for some action.
Okay, this is the main camera.
Safety first.
Nice and safe. You've got the indestructible GoPro, the helmet.
On the 360, guys, I will film everything.
We're not able to take off, it's not connecting to the satellite.
And wait all this time we get this clear parking lot.
That's crazy! Well, it's like a fucking giant mosquito.
That thing, if it hit you on the head, would absolutely kill you.
Oh yeah, for sure.
100%.
I mean, they say point and kill people, right?
GoPro's recording. Recording, slow-mo.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, let it drop. Let's see the front part.
Who'd have thought? Oh my god. Dude, face the camera at you, like face the iPhone camera at you. You can still see your face, man. I definitely didn't get the close shot of it landing.
I got it. Chicken shit. And you, I think you got it.
Juan and me were super close. We actually
I was so scared that I don't know why I didn't think that I wouldn't be able to see it coming down, you know? I was like right at the edge of the parking lot thinking that it was gonna hit me.
Your heart is rising so hard in that second, like in those 5 seconds, like 3, 2, 1, you drop it, and it just comes so fast.
was running so fast, Sid, that I was like, okay, he told me stop the last second, you know? And I was like so worried. I was like,
There's not as many pieces
No.
as I thought there would be. It's a bit of the remnants of the Nokia. Yeah.
it doesn't look so close on your camera because of the I put a really wide angle, but we were both really close, I think.
Like, look.
Yeah.
Now we just throw it on, man.
What if you dropped it now and it fully broke after it survived?
I think if I drop the Nokia, it will break the floor.
What do I think?
About the dynamic island.
I think it's like not dynamic anymore. Now I think it's a static island.
That is insane.
It's very badly. Huh? Damn man, sorry. Look at this.
Yeah, it's that battery. Look at the battery, it's swelling.
So once you cover this?
Damn, you're good at this, man.
I used to play this for hours.
Well, I did not expect that. I thought for sure the Nokia 3310 was going to survive. I remember us like doing crazy shit to that phone back when I was at high school, but turns out you can play Snake with it still, but it just won't take phone calls. The iPhone 13 still works. I mean, even the front screen works. It took a hit on the back, which absolutely destroyed it, but I have to give him props. Like, that thing dropped from bloody high. Anyway, now someone's got a bit of a race car, so we're gonna do some drifting shots.
it's not really their job if you like to do
That
that.
was a much needed little refuel.